All right, guys, so if you are a tattoo artist or if you just do some printing on the go and you're looking for something that's portable, this is by the brand Wormhole. So just a heads up to you guys, if you are doing tattoos or using it for tattoos, you will need transfer paper. But if you are just wanting to print documents, you will need thermal paper. And this is inkless, so that's the reason why you will have to get those two different types of paper. So this is what it looks like in the front. And then this is what it looks like in the back. So you can definitely see it's really simple. It does come with this little cord right here. And then this is the power button. And that's also the way you connect the Bluetooth to it. But yeah, so you will need to download an app, and it's called Tattoo Printer. And that's where you're gonna upload all of your documents or the pictures that you're wanting to print. But it really is easy to use. And then just to show you guys the quality of it. So this is a Stencil. They do have some pictures provided on that app already, just that you can print right off the bat. And this is one of them that we got. So you can definitely see the details on it, especially in this portion right here. It looks really great. The only thing about it though, to be honest, is that there is audio to it that I believe lets you know when it's ready to print. And that's super loud, and there's no way you can turn that volume down. But that's the only downside to it. But other than that, it works really great, as you can definitely see. The only thing, like I mentioned, the audio on it, when it lets you know, it's just a little too loud. But it works great nonetheless.